Hi, I'm Catherine from the QuickBooks team. Books Close is a new feature available in Intuit Accountant Suite that helps you track and complete your monthly close process for all your clients in one place. With Books Close templates, you can standardize this process across your clients. Let's go over how to set up a template, customize it, then apply it to a client. To begin, go into Books Close and select Books Close Settings. By default, admin users in your firm will have access to settings. You will have the option to give this access to additional firm roles. Here is where you'll find your template library. You'll notice a standard template is already available for you. You can use the standard template, and to view it, select the action drop-down arrow, View. This standard template can be a good starting point if you don't already have a standardized Books Close process in place. It contains tasks you need to complete a month-end close. Select Close to go back to your templates. To customize your own template, select Make a Copy. Give your template a name. Then, select your close due date. Review the tasks across the end-to-end close process. Add tasks in the pre-close or additional item selections to fit your firm's workflow. Add any tasks you need. Then save to include them in your Books Close workflow. You can also delete or edit existing tasks. There are no tasks shown in the account reconciliation section within the template because those tasks are dynamically added once you create a close for a client. Once you've customized your tasks and have everything in place, save the template to your library. Your new template is found here. If you want your new template to be the default, select the action drop-down arrow, Set as Default. You're always able to view, edit your template, and make updates at any time. You can also make additional copies of this template and customize it even further. To assign this template to a client, go back to Books Close dashboard. Select Onboard Close Client. Choose the client from the drop-down menu. Then choose the close template you want assigned to them. You'll see your default template here, but you can select any of your Books Close templates. Assign this close to one of your firm's members, and select the time period. Finally, select Save. Now you're ready to set up Books Close templates.
What